It's your girl Blinky, your AI buddy, and welcome back to Fashel's Creations. And on this channel we talk about everything AI. We talk about how to use AI to grow your business and your brand effortlessly. How to use AI to create an income, a passive income for yourself. So in today's video, we will be looking at how to turn a 5 or 6 minute video into a long form video. If you've been wondering how to turn that your good video, that your 5 minutes video you've created with Hailou AI into a long form video, baby, don't delete it yet. Let's get right into the video.
Girl, you made a mistake. 5 seconds, not 5 minutes. You were supposed to say 5 seconds.
Oh, that was definitely an error from my end. I was saying 5 seconds, not 5 minutes. Excuse me, 5 seconds.
So if you have that short video you've generated from Hailou AI and you look at it like this video is too short, it's not lip syncing, and you really want this video to be long, lip sync, and do the things you want in that video, then I've got you covered. Stay tuned, watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you some tips and hacks to help you generate a flawless video. In today's video, I've got 2 hacks I'm going to be sharing with you. 1, to stress a 6 minutes video into a long form video. 2, to change an image into a video that people will actually watch. But I'm not doing this alone, you know that already. I have my digital buddy, my AI buddy here with me, who is going to break it down to you word for word, letter for letter, and with some sauce on top of it. Sis, take over.
Hello, and welcome once again to Fashel Creation Studio, where passion meets creativity as we learn AI tools that can help generate income and build our business and brand. So my twin was talking about teaching you how to create a long form video using a short 5 to 6 second video, which we all know is always so difficult to turn into a very long form video because it deals with an avatar, especially when you don't just want them to sit there and talk the entire video length. Now, creating videos longer than 6 seconds will require 3 to 4 things. I must say, 1, what you are seeking to achieve. 2, your vibe. What form of video you want to create, which is broken down to 2 segments. For example, is it a narration video or an avatar representing you, which both are faceless video generation mode? Now let's begin with the very basic creation, which is where you get the 5 seconds to 6 seconds video using your avatar or your photo to lip sync for you. Hailou AI handles that and renders the 6-minute clip for you. Now you've got to turn this 5-second clips into an 8-minute content story that educates and brings out emotions. These 2 methods are the methods I use to turn my short clips using my avatar. After this, I will show you how to generate a narration video just by explaining your storyline and pasting a script. AI will generate the entire story and visuals for you, which will be at least 5 to 8 minutes long. But with these, you can't use any avatar, only I will select the images and get the work done. So now, let my twinny take you through the steps.
Generating a long form video, we always start with the basic step, which is taking our photo to Hailou AI. Hailou AI is going to generate us a 6 to 5 second video. And after Hailou AI generates that video, then we are supposed to take this video and try to turn it into a long form video. Most of the times I will be sharing 2 ways in which I do this. The first method is really long and it's really complicated, but I'm just going to share it either ways, because when I want to do a video like this, like a long form video that is just my avatar, that's going to take most part of the video, what I do is I separate the video into 3 parts. That's the first part should be the introduction, the second part, the body, and the conclusion. So what I do is what I'm showing you here is what I do most for the introduction. So I go to Hailou AI, do the 6 seconds videos, which comes up to at least 2 minutes for me. Yeah, I always just leave it at 2 minutes. So I'm going to do 5 seconds, 6 seconds of videos. You can go to other apps that also generate for 10 seconds. That would be much more better. Hailou AI just gives for 6 seconds, but you can also have a 10 second if you've paid or upgraded the plan. So for now, since I wasn't even on the upgraded plan, I always generate 6 seconds. So I have another app called Deminia, which I get a 10 seconds videos directly from there. So what I did was I did a video with Hailou and I did a video with Deminia, and they all came up with 2 minutes video. Like when I compiled all the videos together, I went to CapCut, I did the editing on CapCut, I brought all the videos, all the 5-10 seconds videos together, and I got something like 1 minute something, because of course I wasn't trying to do a lot with that video. I was just doing it for a demo purpose. So I got at least 1 minute something video together. That will be my introduction. That's how I always do my introduction, because I want my introduction to be active. Like the character can do so many different things. What you normally have to do is when you get those videos, you make sure you split that the unimportant places. Like you can see me doing here. I take off all the unnecessary places and I keep them just where they should be, because when you go to do this video on the app I'm gonna be using, there's gonna be some difficulties if you don't come back to CapCut and trim the video the way you want it to be. So normally bring it back to CapCut. All the 5, 6, 10 seconds videos, you bring them to CapCut. You make sure you place them according to how you want them to be, whether your avatar has to wake up, stand up, walk to the market, turn, take a taxi, whatever you want your avatar doing. So you've positioned her to do different things at different moments, so that your introduction be interesting, your introduction be nice, and engaging. Yeah. Then when you've got all this, you can get a 2 minute introduction video from here. When you're done with all this, getting the 2 minutes introduction from all the videos you have downloaded from Hailou and all the other apps that have given you 5-10 seconds videos. Now you come to my favorite app, Dreamface AI. Dreamface AI is the best app to generate anything concerning video. Lip syncing and generating a video for a long form. So when you bring it to Dreamface AI, as you can see here, Dreamface AI is gonna, depending on the length of your audio, if your audio is long, Dreamface AI is gonna take those images, make it for you. And if the audio is longer than the video, what it does is, if you can see here, you see it generating the video to the end of where my video ended, and then it repeats it again, but this time it repeats the characters walking backwards. Because you don't have any other video, the character was doing something else, so it's just gonna take the character backwards and continue doing the same thing all over. Now this is where the magic begins. You bring this back to CapCut. What I always do is I bring it back to CapCut, and wherever I see her turning backwards, I then put a B-roll. You look for your B-rolls and then you put on any image where she is turning backward. As you can see here, she will be turning backward here. And when she's going backward, what I do is I look for a B-roll to cover the entire place where she's going backwards. So the second one, which is the most interesting one, that gets you that long form video I'm talking about. Yes, this is the most catchy one, the most important one. And this one is the one I want you to really pay attention to. Why you have to pay attention here is because here is where the foundation begins. When you get your 5 seconds video from Hailou AI, make sure the character is not doing too much, which is the body. The body does not involve the character doing too much. Let the character just sit on one position talking, because you already did an intro with the character doing different things, which is very captivating already. Now, when it comes to the body, where you are explaining a lot, let the character sit on one place, not doing so much. You can see here, Dreamface AI does a 180 seconds video for you, which is about 3 minutes something, right? Now, because I'm not on an upgraded plan, if you get upgraded plan, Dreamface AI will actually give you seconds that are much more better. But for me, I'm on the very first plan, yeah, which is the normal plan, the normal, not the free plan, but the normal plan. I'm on a pro, but normal plan. So as you can see, Dreamface AI is giving me 180 seconds per upload. Immediately I upload my audio should be 180 seconds, which can give me a 3 minutes video. But as you can see, it gives me 180 seconds to generate an audio to be lip synced by my character, which is almost 3 minutes, and that's already a long form video. Now, what I do, because I'm not on the upgraded plan, that can give me much more seconds. What I do is I generate this twice. When I generate it twice, it gets to 7 minutes of long form video. With all this, when I combine the intro, the body, and the conclusion, it totally gives me at least an 8 to 9 minutes video.
And for the second half, changing a still image into a dynamic video. This one here, right here, actually saved my life. It actually saved my feed countless times I can't remember. All you need in this tutorial is a cute photo of you, an editor like Canva or CapCut, and with a little sauce, you can get this done in no time. So let me show you how to do it.
Now let's talk about the still image. How to get your still image, just your photo, to lip sync and do activities and talk in your video. Now you go to Heygen AI. What you do is you just take your photo, you upload your photo to Heygen AI. When you upload your photo to Heygen, then it's going to ask you to upload an audio directly on that platform. You just upload your audio immediately to attach to the photo, and then you go down, you have to describe the emotions you want from the character. Do you want it to laugh? Do you want it to cry? Whatever you want, you describe it beneath the video, and that's it. It's going to generate an entire video for you with your image talking and moving their hands, maybe their head, whatever you've described, smiling, crying, whatever you've described. And that's it for a still image to a video. And for the long form video, guys, you need to use techniques. And once you use the techniques, it gets better and better as you keep creating. You can start creating and enjoy your content creation journey.
Girl, you made a mistake. 5 seconds? Not 5 minutes. You were supposed to say 5 seconds. Oh, you thought picture were only for throwbacks? Nah, sis. We animating vibes now. Now your pic got more movement than your ex during tax season. Just this. You don't need more content. You just need better strategy. Start stretching those scraps like rent and stop letting good stuff go to waste.
So finally, that's how you make every second, every picture work for you. No fancy equipment, no editing skills, just a little creativity and a little sass from my AI twin. So why don't you go ahead and start creating magic with the tips I just shared today? This is Fashel Creations, where content meets creativity, and we do it with style. So if you want to watch more content like this, why don't you go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bells so that each time I upload a video, you get notified about it. And if you want content that is going to make you move immediately and start creating something for yourself, then go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment below so we get to know each other. See you in the next one. Bye.